Let's see how to make your Facebook account private. Super simple. You just need to come here to the profile and the three dots on the top, or just like in my case, here on the left side on the three dots. Tap on it and look for settings. Tap on it and go down until you find audience and visibility. And from here, you see that you have the option to select how people find and contact you. Just tap on it. Here you can control how people find and contact you. Let's say, for example, everyone can send you friend request. If you want to change this, you just need to tap here and you select everyone or friends of friends. Just hit save and you're good to go. You can do the same who can see your friend list. Just here you see that I have 4 friends, but you can select public, friends, except somebody, specific friends, and only me. Just select the way you want and hit save, and you keep doing this for everything. Okay, and you can also select here if you want a search engine outside of a Facebook profile to link your profile. You just unselect this one and you're good to go. Okay, and you can do the same for posts and stories. Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can make your Facebook private. All right, I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.